So this video is going to show you how to use a basic multimeter to measure DC voltage, milliamps or current, and ohms. We're not going to worry about the other functionality of a multimeter. So over here I've built up a basic circuit with my battery coming in there, and then a LED, a resistor, and the negative of the battery. So the first thing, let's connect the battery, and there we can see the LED comes on. Now I'm going to switch the multimeter to voltage. You would normally use probes that looks like this on a multimeter, and it's easy to measure the voltage. You just hold the negative probe on battery negative there on one of those connectors, and then the positive one somewhere where you want to measure the voltage. To make things a little bit simpler, I've used these wires with metal pins like they use on hobbyist kits and Arduinos. So then it sticks to the magnet, so I just put that point there and it remains there. And then if you can see, if I put this one here on the positive terminal of the battery, you can see the measurement jumps up to 9.5 volts. That's the voltage of my battery. So when I move this on to the other side of the LED, like there, it's 7.7 volts. So there's roughly 2 volts drops over the LED. And then if I move it to that side of the resistor, it will be the same, roughly the same, because there's almost no voltage drop over this M6 measuring point, which I'm going to discuss in a second. Now if I move this all the way to the negative pole of the battery, like there, the voltage will drop to almost 0, because I'm measuring ground level. Now one of the things to mention here is there is no actual block called for measuring points. It's something that will be used in the circuit diagrams on the LMS, but it will just indicate to you, the student, where to measure. So if there's a M6 or a measuring point like that, you don't have to physically connect that measuring point. You can basically just measure at that point. So either at that connection point there or the one next door, which they will give the same voltage.